go.
Alright, Red Train, that'll clear means you're out of here. Enjoy your ride on Hurler.
Uh-oh. No. I'm not gonna throw up. Oh.
Please hold on to your handlebar until the end of the ride.
You better look the other way.
And enjoy your ride on Hurler.
Oh, here we are. Oh gosh. That actually wasn't bad.
Yeah.
That was actually fine.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad.
I expected to be a lot.